Good morning to us all. So I will be showing us how to download and how to basically use the MetaTrader 5 app. Though you can make use of MetaTrader 4 as well, but MetaTrader 5 is the advanced version of MetaTrader 4. So I will advise you make use of MetaTrader 5. So you go to, for iPhone user, you go to your App Store. For Android user, you go to your Play Store. So when you go there, okay, my data is not on yet. So go to your App Store, then you search for MetaTrader. I see MetaTrader 5, you click on it. So because I have it already, that's why it's open. But if let's assume I don't have it already, it will just ask me to download, then I will download it. And you click on open when it's done. So this is what you will see. The first page, most likely you will see, will be the quotes page. Then if you check the nav bar below, you will see quotes, you see charts, you see trade, you see history, you see settings. So I will just run us through each of these menus below. So for quotes is where you see all the pairs. For any pair that is not here, you see the enter symbol for search, just click on it. Let's assume you are looking for WABD USD card. You can search USD card. You see, you just click on this plus. Now this my own symbol is having that's because of the broker I'm using currently. Or most of the time, if you've not used MetaTrader before at all your phone, when you download it, it might ask you to do some registration to get a demo account. Just click on next, and like that. Until you get to this quote page, you understand. So you can search, and instead of doing that, you can also click at this hamburger sign beside here. Click on it. It's change, and can also edit of any of these. Probably want to delete one or leave it there. And if you long press on any of the codes, you see what the menu to bring: trade, chart, details, statistics, delete. What you need basically here is that you want to trade it immediately, or you want to go and view the chart. All the details, statistics, you don't really need it, or you want to remove the quote from the pair from the list of the quotes you want to be watching. You understand? So that's it. That's just basically. And you notice that when you click on search, it will give you these folders like that: the forex indicators, the crypto group, energy, and stuff like that. So you can check probably forex group. So all the forex pairs will be here. But instead of going to that thread, just simply search for the one you are looking for. And that is that. Then let's go to chart. So let's assume I want to check SAUSD chart. Just click on it. Go to chart. So this is the chart of SAUSD we are viewing currently. This is the chart currently. So this is the chart of SAUSD currently. So you can see the chart, you can know what's happening currently and that. So on the chart, if you look at the upper part, you will see M15. This M15 indicates the current time frame you are on. So you can, when you click on it, you will see other time frame. You see M1, which is 1 minute, M5, 5 minutes, M15, 15 minutes, M30, 30 minutes, H1, 1 hour, H4, D1, a day. So, and don't forget that for every time frame you click on, it means that each candle pair, each candle you are seeing is actually formed within that hour, period. So for 15 minutes now, it means that each of the candles you are seeing on the chart took 15 minutes each to form completely. So that's why we call, okay, which time frame are you looking at? So if I go to 1 hour, you see that this 1 hour candle you are looking at. If you go to 4 hour, each of them you will notice that it's reduced a kind of, because it's reducing the information, collapsing the information. If you go to daily, you see, so you'll be able to see the overall view very well. So that's just for that. And on the upper menu as you will see there's a cross sign, like a sniper icon. When you click on it, you're able to navigate. Probably you want to look for a particular price number. You'll see that as you are rolling through the chart screen, you see that there's a number at the side that is changing. And also, if you click on it again, let's click on it again. If you click on it again, you can probably be able to pick your range, or maybe you want to check from one point to another. You're able to do it. You see that the point is changing and the number of bars that is counting is also changing. So that just how to use that. Then you have the F beside that, which is, this one is for maybe you want to add indicator to your chart. So you can use that. I've seen different type of indicator you can add on your chart with it. So then we have the symbol icon. For this symbol, probably you want to draw this line, like the one I have here, this red line. You can come here, click on it, pick on this horizontal line. You're able to draw it. If you need the rectangle, you need the trend line, you can easily pick it from here. Add objects. So as is that. And for here, you have this one is just for you. Okay, I want to place another. You can use any of these instantly instead of going to another side, which I'll show you quickly. So you can click on here and place your order automatically from here instantly. You can place your order automatically from here instantly. Is that you are going for a buy or a sell, and you can change your lot size from here. And change your lot size 0.2, 0.1 or 0.01 depending on the lot size you want to use. So you can execute your order directly from here. Then if you now want to place an order, just click on this chart, goes to trade. Now on this trade is where you can now use want to use market execution. Market execution simply means that you want to execute an order instantly. But I'll still do another video to draw more on this. But let me just give the overview of this app. So that is that. Then you go to trade. Now under this trade is where you will see different positions that you have placed in the market. You'll see different positions here. So I'll still be walking you through that later. But just know that I'm able to see your balance, your current equity, free margin, or then history is where you see the past trades you've carried. So from there, you look at my own trade, you see that I've taken different trades. So if I click on this icon, reach on this watch icon, click on it, I'll be able to go into the last 1 year, or even give it a range by customizing that. Okay, from so date to so date, then I'll be able to view my history. You understand? So basically, this is just what we have currently, and you see my deposit, my profits, and stuff like that. So that is that. Last 6 months, you see my deposits, profits, and stuff like that. Then settings. Under the settings, majorly what you would be doing under the setting is probably want to add a new account. Just click on new account. Then from here you will search for the broker you are looking for first. That's why you need a broker to access forex market. You search for the broker you're looking for. Let's assume I want to use exness. exness. So you see how different, but you'll be sure of the name of the broker you are looking for. Then you click on this exness, click on it. Then you will be asked for the server, the login detail that your broker will have given to you, the login, the password. And when you are done, just click on done. So that's when I just press something here. So if I click on done now, it will take me there and say, oh, you see that the account I pressed is invalid. So because it's not a real details from my broker. So that just have to use this. That's just for setting basically. And other things, you can probably want to set your charts. Maybe you want to change it from bar charts to candlestick to line charts. So you can click on, let's assume I click on line chart now. You will see, if you go to my chart, see that it would have changed. I get this data. Okay. Let me pick that chart. You see that and now I have a line chart. It's no longer bar. It's no longer candlestick chart. So I'll just go back to settings, go to my chart, and change it to candlestick. Then I'll go back to chart and I'll be able to see it. You understand? So that's simple as that. So that's the basic overview of how to use this MetaTrader 5 app. So the next video I'll be doing will be talking about how to place a trade from market instant execution to buy limit, sell limit, sell stop, buy stop, and how to use them and when to use them. You understand? So that's what I will be discussing in the next video. I hope this overview is helpful, and just take your time to just check it up and practice. All right, thank you very much.